Hi. So till now we've seen closure, actually attribute closure or FD's closure we see. Okay. So now by using this closure, we can do many things actually. So especially we have the applications by using this closure actually. Okay. So that is what, let us see first of all, what are all the applications by using this attribute closure. So all those things we are going to see individually, and those are the very important concepts for our normalization process. Okay, so let us see in this lecture what are all applications we have. So the first one is we can find additional functional dependencies. Of course, that part we already seen in the previous lectures actually. So that we are going to see very formally what are all other additional functional dependencies that to meaningful FDs we can derive from the existing FD section. So that is one simple application. And another one is we can find the key of a relation. What does it mean key actually? Mainly candidate keys we can find out actually. See, of course, key is nothing but primary key. But primary key is also one of the candidate key. So we can find out all possible candidate keys by using this closure again. And of course, from that automatically you can get the super keys. So that is why we mentioned here super keys also. But the main thing is we can find all possible candidate keys. That is very important actually for our discussion. So that is one another application. And then we can find the equivalence of FDs. This is exclusively important when whenever one relation is there, and if you have two different sets of FDs, so that we will see very clearly. If you have two different sets of FDs from the same table for the same purpose, at that time, whether both the FDs are same or different, you have to compare them actually. When you compare them, if you are able to identify both of them is same, then we are going for the one set of FDs actually. So that is why you have to compare two sets of FDs. By using closure we can do it actually. Okay, so that we will get the clarity once we go for that concept. Okay, and then we can find the irreducible sets of FDs actually. See, this is canonical form you can call sometimes, or sometimes minimal set or irreducible set. So as name implies, you just try to understand irreducible. So further reducing is not possible. So such a FDs you can find actually. So from this also, especially fourth application is whenever you have set of FDs, in those FDs some may be duplicate, some may be not meaningful. So all such kind of things we are going to eliminate from the given FDs, so that the result is actually the irreducible sets. And that also we will see very clearly. So the first of all, just try to understand that by using attribute closure, what are all things we can do actually. So these four things mainly we can do. So let us see all these four individually in the next lectures. Okay.